Behind every successful online order is a process that customer never see. A customer clicks place order, they expect inventory to be accurate, they expect updates to happen quickly, and they expect their order to move through fulfillment without delays. For businesses running Shopify and NetSuite, delivering that experience often depends on how well those systems work together. In this video, we'll look at how DCCAP Integrator connects Shopify and NetSuite, helping information move where it needs to go so team can spend less time managing data and more time serving customers. Let's start with a common situation. A merchandising team adds a new product in NetSuite or updates an existing one. The next question is, how does that product get to Shopify without someone manually entering the same information again? Let's see how DCCAP Integrator handle that process. These are the products that will be synced to Shopify. First, connect NetSuite and Shopify inside the DCCAP Integrator platform. For NetSuite, enter the required credentials, configure API, and test the connection. Then follow the same process for Shopify. Enter the required credentials, configure APIs, and test the connection. Once both systems are connected, it's ready to define how data should move between them. Next, create a workflow for product sync. Think of a workflow as a set of instructions that tells DCCAP Integrator what data to move and where to send it. In this case, the product information is moving from NetSuite to Shopify. Here's what happens behind the scene. The workflow first checks the NetSuite for products that have been added or modified since the last sync. This means only new changes are processed rather than scanning the entire catalog every time. For each product found, DCCAP Integrator retrieves the complete product details, including product name, SKU description, pricing, category, and other important information. Next, workflow checks Shopify using SKU as a unique identifier. At this point, one of two things can happen. If product doesn't exist in Shopify, DCCAP Integrator automatically creates it. If product already exists, DCCAP Integrator updates the existing record with the latest information from NetSuite. This ensures the Shopify store always stay aligned with the ERP. Before sending data, let's review the mapping. Mapping connect NetSuite field to Shopify field. For example, product field in NetSuite may have a different name than corresponding field in Shopify. Mappings ensure the right information goes to the right place. If any transformation is needed, modifier can be used. Modifiers allow values to be adjusted, conditions to be applied, or data to be formatted before it reaches Shopify. Once everything is configured, it's ready to test. With a single click on Sync Now, DCCAP Integrator starts processing the products, and workflow fetches the latest changes from NetSuite, checks Shopify, and creates or updates product automatically. After the sync completes, the logs can be reviewed. Logs show every step of the process and provide complete visibility into what happened. It's easy to verify which products were created, which products were updated, and whether any records need attention. The result is product catalog is maintained in NetSuite and Shopify store stays up to date automatically, and teams spend less time on manual updates and more time focusing on customers. Now let's look at other side of the process. As an ERP first integration platform, DCCAP Integrator ensure order placed in Shopify are automatically available in the NetSuite, helping team work from single source of truth. Here is a workflow for order sync from Shopify to NetSuite. Here's how the process works. First, DC Cap Integrator checks Shopify for new or recently updated orders since the last sync. For each record found, the workflow checks NetSuite to see whether that order already exists. If the order is not found, DC Cap Integrator automatically creates the order in NetSuite and map all the required information. If an order already exists, the workflow simply skips it, preventing duplicate records and keeping ERP data accurate. Here are the field mappings between Shopify and NetSuite. Once the workflow is configured, select Sync Now to start the process. After the sync is complete, review the logs to verify the results. The logs provide visibility into which orders were created successfully, which orders were skipped, and whether any records require attention. The result is streamlined order management process where Shopify order flow directly into the NetSuite, reducing manual data entry and keeping ERP records up to date. DC Cap Integrator is built as an ERP-first integration platform, keeping NetSuite at core of your operations while seamlessly connecting the systems that power the business. Whether synchronizing products, order, or other critical data, DC Cap Integrator help keep information flowing where it needs to go. Talk to an integration expert today and see how ERP first integration can transform the way your business operates.